Good morning, guys. Okay, so my contour is done. My foundation is done. All that really needs to be done is my eyeshadow. Now, we spoke about a week and a half ago. We spoke about how I miss playing in certain palettes and I forget that I love these palettes. So today, I've played with my Nubian 2. I've played with my Huda Nude. Now, this was a palette I wanted so bad, and in my mind, especially since it was around Christmas time, I could not justify spending $50 on a palette. So, I got it for Christmas from my mom, because my mom loves me. And that is the ABH Sultry palette. It wasn't even just the packaging that made me be like, oh, I need it. It was, are you ready? And I use this a lot, as you can probably tell. It's just the colors, y'all. Okay, so I've missed playing in this. So that's what we are gonna do today. We are gonna play in Miss Sultry palette. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a blending brush and just make sure it's good and clean. This particular one is a Bogakis brush. I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge and just make sure there's no like creasing happening. Now, because I want a smooth as can be like transition for me, I'm gonna go into Fresh, which is that nice white shade. I'm gonna put that literally all over my eye. As you can see, I was kind of messy with it. Because it's essentially a setting powder for my eyeball. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into Birch right here. And I'm going to just put that on my crease. Right now, I'm just going in like little tapping motions here. And then I'm gonna go in circular motions and make sure it's good and blended. I kind of put off like buying any palettes recently until I play more in what I have. But then I saw Jeffree Star's Jawbreaker collection and I'm like, no, why? So I'm gonna be good and I'm not gonna buy, let me rephrase this, I'm gonna be good. I'm not gonna buy anything, but my birthday's coming up. And I kinda wanna do like a birthday unboxing because everyone in my life knows I want makeup for my birthday. July 22nd, save the date. It's gonna be a special upload. Come celebrate with me. I don't know, like I don't really make big deals about my birthday, but it's my last birthday before I turn 30. So I'm making a big deal about this birthday. All right, so I think we have Birch blended pretty much the way I want it. So I think I'm gonna go into Twig. Yeah, we're gonna go into Twig, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna pop that also on my crease, but below birch. And I'm gonna tap it too. Like I'm not gonna just go straight in and start blending. I'm gonna wipe it off. Now I'm gonna go in windshield wiping. I'm not going in circular because I don't really want to blend it upwards as much as I just want to blend it into birch. So just going in windshield wiping motions on my eyeball. Perfect. So what I love about this palette is it has like a lot of neutrals to work with, but it also has a few pops of color, like the pink, the rose gold. The cyborg color is like a silvery purple. So like it has all of the colors to make a sultry look. All right. And that's what we're gonna do with that. Now, all right, I'm gonna do my lower lash line first. I'm gonna go back into Twig with a pencil brush, the color we just used, and I'm just gonna pop that on my lower lash line. Beautiful. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a flat brush. All right, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take Ember, the shade right there. And then I'm gonna spritz my brush. Oh, and use my tatas to save my palette. Hold on. Okay. Tatas save the palette, guys. Tatas save the palette. I put it down like right on the edge. Like, yeah, okay. We're gonna put Ember. Who lets me out in public? We're gonna put Ember on the outer corner of the eyeball. Yes, that is proper terminology. Just shove it right in your eyeball, please. We're gonna put it on the outer corner of our eyelid. Seriously, who lets me out in public? I wish my husband was here right now because my husband would be like, nobody, you go out on your own. And I'm not too worried about it being a perfect like blend because I am gonna go in with probably 2 more shades. And then I'm also gonna use a fluffy brush to make sure the crease looks good and fancy. All right, now I'm gonna go to Teak, which is this pretty shade right here. I'm gonna put my brush in there and then I'm gonna spritz it again. Oh man. I'm also gonna get it all over my makeup desk. All over the desk. I think I need more coffee. Okay, so I'm gonna take Teak and I'm gonna pop it on the center of my lid. But I'm also going to take the time to like pat it into Ember so it has like a nice seamless transition here. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Okay. So there's 3 colors I really want to go into. We got Cyborg. That's just so pretty. And then we have Rose Quartz. Then we have Rose Quartz. And then we have Steampunk. They all look pretty. You know what? Let's just do Cyborg. Because I've been eyeballing this color since like I opened this palette. So Cyborg is this pretty silver purpley shade. Now with shades like this, I know I don't care how pigmented they are. I don't care how pretty they are. I always spritz my brush, always. And then I'm gonna put Cyborg on my inner corner. I realized the gold or the rose gold would have gone a lot better with this particular look, but it's what you want. It's your face. Just saying. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with that blending brush and just make sure there's no harsh lines. Okay. I'm done now. All right, so I'm gonna take a angled liner brush. I'm gonna spritz it really good. Maybe not that good. And then I'm gonna go back into Cyborg. And I'm actually gonna pop that on my inner corner of my lower lash line. Just to add a little extra oomph. Now, I'm going to go into, because I feel like my lower lash line needs a little something extra, using that same brush, I'm going to go into Dystopian. And I'm going to go really, really super close to my actual lash line and just pat that. That's what it needed, yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what I needed. It just needed a little something extra. I actually want to go back into Dystopian and just kind of try to flick it upwards a little bit. By the way, that's a little trick to kind of make your eyes more cat-like. Just on the very outer edge, just kind of get a darker shadow. Not like black, I mean, unless you're doing like a dark smoky eye, but like a deeper neutral, and just get right on that outer corner and flick up. See, now I look more like a kitty. Yeah. Seriously, who lets me out in public? All right, I'm gonna hurry up and get this over with because this is getting ugly. I need more coffee. All right. Now I'm actually not gonna go in with a black eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with the Cella eyeliner, and it is a dark brown, and I'm gonna create some wing on my face here. And I will be right back because no one wants to watch you make a wing. It's annoying. Don't mind me just trying to clean up this area as I go, because so that doesn't happen. Seriously, who lets me out in public? You know what this weekend is gonna be? clean up my makeup area. All right, moving on with life. I'm gonna dust off all my bake. And then I'm gonna go in with my Moda face brush. Nice big fluffy brush. Lightly dip into some butter bronzer. Bronze up my face here. Can't forget the neck. Need blush. I don't have any blush down here. I thought I had a blush like right in front of me. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Peach Glow Kit. A blush brush if I can find one. I'm gonna go into the blush. Yeah, I'm going in hard with this blush. So I really like this blush from this palette because it gives a nice peachy glow, almost like, oh, I'm blushing lightly, but I have too much makeup on to blush. So we're gonna pretend I'm blushing. Now, I'm gonna also go into the highlight from this palette. Now I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna go in with Mannequin from Jeffree Star. This is today's look using the ABH Sultry palette. I'm still trying to figure out who lets me out in public. Because I'm an idiot. All right, anyway. At least I can own it, okay, guys? At least I own the fact I have, like, I'm a special person. Okay, so that is today's look. I'm having a lot of fun going back into, like, old palettes. Like, this is fun to me. We have Boxy Looks coming. We have FabFitFun coming. I mistakenly skipped Ipsy. My credit card expired and I didn't update it in time. I'm good at adulting. I'm really good at adulting. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get all of the upcoming videos. This summer is going to be a summer of fun, y'all. So many companies launching so many new things. I need both of those Jawbreaker palettes in my life. Just saying. I'm looking into new foundations. If anyone has any recommendations, let me know in the comments section down below. I'm thinking of doing a Sephora haul. Maybe an Ulta haul. One of the two. Let me know which one you would like, and we can go from there. I might even take one of my best friends with me so that I can help her. Probably Ulta. It's more affordable in some aspects. And we can do like a whole makeover video with her. Let me know how you feel about that in the comment section. I will see you guys next video. And yeah, ta-ta for now. Bye. I don't know why I just did that. Oh, God.